This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to embed and link an Excel document to your Word document. If you have already created a chart in Excel, you can embed and link it to your Word document. When you embed an Excel chart in Word, any updates you make to the original Excel chart will automatically update in your Word document as long as the files remain in the same location. This helps this data stay in sync so you won't have incorrect or out of date information in your chart. Select the Excel data, right click and then click copy or press Ctrl C. Open a Word document. In Word, on the Home tab, in the Keyboard group, click Paste. Click Paste Special. The Paste Special dialog box appears. Click Paste Microsoft Excel Worksheet object. Double-click the object to work with it. For example, format the table and insert a sum function. The embedded object is part of the Word file. There is no link to the original Excel file. To create a link, click Paste Link Microsoft Excel Worksheet object. Now, if you double-click the object, Excel opens the Excel file. If you want to embed Word inside Excel, follow the simple steps. Select the cell where the object is to be inserted. Click Insert tab, Text Group, Object. In the Object dialog box, select the format that you want to embed. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.